How to turn on or turn off strict mode enabled on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search strict mode enabled from here. So scroll down and search. You will see strict mode enabled is here. So if you want to turn on strict mode enabled, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see strict mode enabled is turn on. So if you want to turn off strict mode enabled, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see strict mode enabled is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off strict mode enabled from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off strict mode enabled on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.